Hello, in this video, we will learn about relation detection. Relation detection is basically a process within named entity recognition, NER. Relation detection is essentially a process used in named entity recognition. Its purpose is to identify and label the relationship between entities. For this, it heavily relies on the entity type of the other entities. And additionally, it relies on their semantic dependency tree. There are more than 20 relation labels, such as located in, being part of, and included in. So why is relation interaction important? First and foremost, for context understanding. This helps us find out what relation exists between the entities. This also helps us understand the overall meaning of the paragraph. Furthermore, it enhances named entity recognition. With its help, the interactions between them become known. Additionally, it is helpful when building knowledge graphs, in summarizing information, and in answering difficult queries. For example, Apple was founded by Steve Jobs. Here, Apple is an entity. Steve Jobs is also an entity. Now, what is the relation between the two? That will be found through this process. The relation is that Steve is the founder and Apple is the organization. So here, the relationship is founder-organization. Let's look at another example. John lives in Paris. Here, the relation detected is lives in. And this relation is between the two entities, John and Paris. Here you can see an example of a knowledge graph. A normal text has been written here, but this represents the intended wording for labeling. For instance, the Mona Lisa was painted by Da Vinci. Jim likes it, and Jim has visited the Louvre, where the painting is located. Furthermore, there are many things involved in this. The date is included, when they were born, whose friend is he, what is his friend interested in. Essentially, this is a very large structure where all things are connected to each other.